What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. This is something I don't normally do, but this is a pretty crazy purchase, and I figured I would show you guys. Today I'll be unboxing a $10,000 pair of Nike Off-White MoMA. This pair is probably the most beat pair in the world. I definitely received a ton of pictures before purchasing. My only other options were $10,000 new or around $5,000 used, and I decided to go with the most beat pair and see if I can get them restored. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so I'm about to open it up. Alright, we're gonna get this out the way. Got a little stuff on there. And here they are, the most beat pair of Nike Off-White MoMAs. Now this condition is terrible. I'm not gonna lie to you guys though, his pictures made it look a lot worse, and I'll definitely be putting out some footage for you guys to see up close details, but these aren't as bad as the pictures looked. The most notable thing is the heel. So I guess they added dress heels. Don't know why they did that, but that's definitely gonna have to get replaced. That looks awful. And I think it added a lot of weight to the shoe because the shoe feels very heavy. The creases, the laces are dirty. It looks like you didn't even clean them. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the second shoe. This just initial of the first one. Yeah, these are rough. $10,000 Black Force. These are definitely treated like a Black Force. These are terrible condition. But honestly, looking at them, I think these will be super easy to restore because Air Forces generally are really easy to fix. So I think that these will have no problem. So starting off, the things I'm gonna have to get replaced. It's definitely gonna need new laces. The laces are missing the eyelets and they're dingy. The swoosh itself isn't that bad, but there is kind of marks. I don't know if you'll be able to touch that up because it's like a tin foil. So I don't know how they would restore that. The swoosh might be, it is what it is type of situation. The scratches are gonna be rough, but I think they'll be able to fix it no problem. They're just gonna have to sand it down and paint it flat black. The creases shouldn't be too bad. That should be pretty easy. I actually have a video out on the creases. They are pretty bad, but I think they'll be able to get the majority of those out. There's also a little cut that I don't know if they'll be able to get out. These are super disgusting though. You definitely have to wash my hands. There's also no stars in the bottom. So the bottom's gonna have to do a full sole swap. And I think this will turn out pretty nice because all you have to get is a Black Force. And Black Forces are really cheap. The only thing I'm gonna be worried about is them doing the air again, but I think that they could do it pretty good. There's a bunch of loose little threads on both shoes. And the creases are crazy. There's a ton of creases. But overall, I'm actually not that upset about this purchase. I think that they have really good potential. It's gonna have to do a reshape as the right heel is like slanted. You guys can see that it looks pretty rough. I'm guessing whoever owned these was a little heavier set because these are like super wide. But I think that they could get this shape out really nice. One thing that might be really hard for them to fix is the off-white lettering. That's super cracked, and I'll get it up close for you guys. That is super cracked, and I don't know how they would fix that. And the more I'm just looking at them, they don't look as bad as a picture, but I just don't understand how someone could do this to a shoe. I know that they weren't always this expensive, but even then, like this is terrible. And I don't know why someone would add this. And also the weight on it is insane. It's probably my craziest purchase. I've never bought anything like this. I definitely thought it'd be dope to record this and then just see if we could fix it. I thought it'd be a cool little challenge. And also I didn't want to spend $5,000 on a used or $10,000 on a new. I got these at such a cheap price compared to that I figured I might as well try that. The tongue actually isn't that bad. The foam on the tongue isn't bad. The foam on the outside is definitely not the best. It's definitely missing a lot, but kind of expected that. Even my MCAs, all off-white forces are kind of like that if you wear them. And that's kind of the goal, is to get these fixed up, and I'm gonna wear them. I want them to clean them, this whole shoe. I don't really like to just stock my kicks and just look at them. Only pair that I have like that is the Dior's. I just haven't found the time to wear those. I don't know if I would wear those. Those are a little different situation, but other than that, I wear all my kicks. I don't just sit there and stare at them, which is cool if you do that. Like, I understand, but me personally, it's not something I like to do. The swooshes do look kind of rough in some spots. There's also like fading. It looks like it's cracked and kind of missing paint. I would think they'd be able to sand that down and fix that, but it's gonna take a lot of work with these. This is not gonna be a quick, easy fix, but I do think it's manageable. The new laces are a must. I think these are done. They look gray. They look pretty awful. One thing about these shoes, I will say, is they came with no zip tie. Kind of sucks, but I'm not someone that wears with zip ties anyway. But I would have liked to have the zip tie. Comes with the box, which is cool. Of course, you know, the paper. But zip would have been nice. Clean pair of laces would have been pretty cool too. But it is what it is. So my full goal with these is to get new midsoles, get the creases removed, get a little paint touch up on the scuffs and then where it was cracking. Hopefully I could get the off-white lettering clean. I would like that because the lettering is looking pretty rough. Definitely a new pair of laces and a reshape of the whole shoe. I think they'll turn out pretty nice. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I try to do something a little different. I mean, this is a pretty crazy purchase. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a lot of different videos of Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I'll be showing off other stuff like this as well. My goal is just to bring you guys different stuff that you don't see too often.
Lab going,